Welcome to Pure Transfer 101. I'm the Boff, Pure Transfer's keeper of know-how. Pure Transfer is constantly revolving. Hello? What? Really? Oh. I'm told I should have said Pure Transfer is constantly evolving. Our website, puretransfer.com, is full of online tools that make our customers' experience the best yet. Okay, we can't predict the future. If we could, we'd be doing the lottery and not talking to you lot. But whatever happens, you can guarantee Pure Transfer will continue supplying the best high purity hoses, gaskets and single-use components with amazing customer service and oodles of know-how thrown in too. You have the Boff's guarantee on that one.